This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La, 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 la. This video is going to explain how to do the homework. So, you got back your Chapter 8, Section 3 outline. A lot of you did a great job on that. Way to go. So, you're going to use the facts on that paper to complete the homework assessing the Crusades and Reconquista. So, that's written in the directions. What you do is you think about the dates, the places, the events, the effects, and the important individuals for the Crusades and Reconquista. So you can consider all the facts that are part of that outline. What you're going to do is you're going to pick 2 important dates, 1 important place, 2 important events, and so on. And then you're going to write them in the answer column right here. Okay? So whatever date, you write the year here. And then in the reasons column, you are just going to write a sentence that explains why you picked blank as an important year for the Crusades or Reconquista. So you want to use the facts in the outline. Hopefully you have specific facts, and you want to be specific in your sentences that are in the reasons column. And this is your opinion to some extent. It needs to be based in the facts, right? But people may pick different years as important dates, different places. It's all, you just have to justify and explain your opinion using the facts on this paper. So the important dates are pretty straightforward. Important places also straightforward. For the events, you should have written this on your outline, but if you didn't, it starts with C, fighting a losing battle, and it goes to page 2, this top part here. You can see it. Okay, that's for the Crusades. The Reconquista events are on page 3, starting with Christians conquer Spain. Okay, and going to the bottom of that page. So Christians conquer Spain and down, those are events of the Reconquista. Effects. The effects of the Crusades start on page 2, where it says Roman numeral, impact of the Crusades. I had you write effects, or I told you to when we were going over it. So these are all effects, and actually they go on to page 3. At the top of page 3, where it says a wider worldview evolves, those are also all effects, okay, for the Crusades. And then the effects for the Reconquista are probably, depending on where you wrote the info, 4, 5, and 6 on page 4 of the outline. Those would be effects of the Reconquista, sorry. So for that column, you write the effect here and the reason why it matters in this column. So what's the effect? Is the effect increased trade between Europe and the Middle East? You write that there, and then you write the reason why that's important and significant in your opinion in the reasons column. Is the effect that 150,000 Jews and Muslims left Spain for Reconquista? You write the fact here, and then you write why that matters in this column. So I think that's about it. Remember, you want to have, I did not make up this meme, by the way. I found it online. I did not make up the map. I found that online also. So you are going to write in sentence form in the reasons column. That's in the directions. Use the facts from your packet. And I think that's about it. So I hope that you were able to be successful in this assignment. Follow the directions and use your brain, and you should be good to go. All right, that's awesome. That's all I have to say about the homework. Do it, and I'll see you in school.